Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Mattoon, Eel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Featuring 2-star accommodations, Motel 6-Mattoon, Eel is located in Mattoon, 1.4 miles from Magnet and 2 miles from Old State Mobile Home Village. The property is around 3.7 miles from Newby, 3.9 miles from Wabash Point and 4.6 miles from Rolling Green. The property has a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi is available. At the hotel, rooms have air conditioning and a TV. Country Club Estates is 4.7 miles from Motel 6-Mattoon, Eel, while Jones is 4.9 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Decatur Airport, 46 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.